moving day. So what I did was order this moving pack of moving green crates. They are plastic packing and moving crates, so you don't have to use cardboard crates. For the small house size, it comes with 40 of these green crates, which are pretty big, and they come on this wheelie skate thing. So basically what you do is you just put a crate on the skate, fill it up, close it up, it snaps locking, put another one on top, and then just keep filling it up. This is awesome because you don't have to assemble boxes, you don't have to tape stuff up, they're all the same size. It is a fantastic way to move. There are 40 with that size with that skate. Then they give you one of these massive size boxes with another moving skate. They also provide you with packing paper, labels, a marking pen, a small, what they call priority box. So you put all your really important stuff in here. That usually gets lost. I guess like TV remotes and things like that. That one. So all of those normal size packing crates, a massive size packing crate and skate, priority box, paper, labels, and a pen. They also give you this huge, massive padded carry bag, which is supposed to be for like a big screen TV. Honestly, it's too big for my TV. My TV is not super huge. And then the other thing they give you, so there's two there. I've started packing up with all the stuff that I want to give away or give to charity. And the other thing that they give to you is another padded bag, which is supposed to be for a computer monitor. It's too small for my Mac monitor, so I just use it to pack up all the prints in the house. It's a fantastic way to move, and I would highly, highly recommend it. Just look at the state of the house. Actually, it's not too bad. It just looks crazy. I'm just trying to do as much as I can to move all the small things, and then the movers are booked in for Tuesday to come and move all the furniture and the heavy lifting. But as for all the small things and all the fragile things, I just prefer to take it myself in my car. As long as they're in those kind of size boxes and it's not too heavy, I don't mind doing it. In fact, I prefer to do it. here's a quick sneak peek house tour. So as you come into the apartment on the right, there is a laundry closet, which is very small, but it's all you need for doing your laundry. Perfect. The washer will be moved in on Tuesday with the movers. And you turn to the left, and this is the master bedroom and ensuite. Just a standard setup with a shower, toilet, and small vanity. There's really limited storage in this apartment, which at first was kind of off-putting, but I actually quite like it because it forces you to get rid of all the unnecessary junk and clutter that you just don't need. So in the master bedroom, it does have a big mirrored closet, a big wardrobe. Would have loved a walk-in wardrobe, but hey. Not much furniture in here yet, but it's just to give you a quick overview of the apartment. Coming back out down the hall, that's the entry that we came in through. Then on the left is what will be the boys' room. Just a standard room. It does have a weird, awkward, angled wall. That wall there is on a slight angle. It's not quite square, which is a little bit tricky when it comes to planning furniture layout, but great view. Hopefully it won't be too distracting for them when they're in bed. So back out of the boys' room, across the hallway is the boys' bathroom slash, I guess, guest bathroom. Again, just standard, but it's got a really nice fit out, nice finishes. And like I was saying, with the storage in the apartment, this is the storage closet. I'm not even kidding you. Check out the size of it. Like, for reference, 2 hands width, and most of it is taken up with all of the internet cabling. So in total, you have 3 shelves. 3 shelves! But it's just for, you know, everyday bits and pieces. There's a lot of storage in the bedrooms, in the closets, which is good. And just a quick overview, I really love this kitchen. I love white kitchens. There were a couple of apartments that I looked at and I just didn't take them because they had dark, dull kitchens. For me, a white kitchen is everything. I love it. It is smaller than the last place, but again, it just forces you to declutter, to minimize, to be more minimalistic, and to just to have the things that you use and you love. Now this was what sold me on the place. This view is amazing. It makes the apartment feel 10 times bigger than it is because it's up so high. We're on the 25th floor and you just have views forever. It's been kind of rainy and cloudy. There's the Brisbane River over in the distance. You can see it at nighttime. But it's the view makes the apartment feel huge. Like the apartment's only, I think it's 85 square meters inside, but it feels huge. Nice balcony, fit a couple of chairs and a barbecue. I love that kind of wooden paneling detail. It just makes it look a little bit different. It's got the same thing behind where I've put my desk on one of the walls. And I'm still getting used to those marble countertops because I keep thinking it's got dirty marks on it, which is fabulous. Keep cleaning it off. And I love this pantry, pull-out pantry, which means you can get easy access to absolutely everything. And of course, cheers. It's 11:29 and I have had it. I've got my boys with me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog / moving with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!